Hi kids, today we will learn about construction vehicles. Excavator, this big machine digs the ground. It has a long arm like a dinosaur. Motor grader, this vehicle makes the road smooth. Its big blade is like a giant ruler. Backhoe loader, it can dig and lift too. A 2-in-1 helper machine. Wheel loader, it carries sand and stones. Looks like a strong giant bucket. Road roller, it rolls the road flat. Like pressing chapati with a roller. Bulldozer, it pushes heavy soil. Like a big strong bull on wheels. Skid steer loader, small but super fast. It can turn round and round easily. Trencher, it makes long narrow holes. Like drawing lines in the earth. Scraper, it scrapes the ground flat. Like a sharp giant spoon. Dump truck, it carries soil and dumps it. Boom. The back goes up. Articulated hauler, it carries heavy loads on rough roads. Like a camel of construction. Concrete mixer truck, round drum mixes cement. Like making a milkshake for buildings. Asphalt paver, it lays black roads. Like spreading chocolate jam on bread. Tower crane, very tall crane. It lifts heavy things high in the sky. Mobile crane, a crane that can travel. Like a superhero on wheels. Crawler crane, it moves with big tracks. Very strong for lifting heavy loads. Dragline excavator, it digs deep with a hanging bucket. Like fishing in the ground. Hydraulic shovel, it scoops huge soil. Like a giant hand digging fast. Compactor, it presses the ground hard. Like stomping with giant feet. Telehandler, it lifts things very high. Like a giraffe of machines. Forklift, small helper with 2 forks. It lifts boxes in factories. Pile driver, it hammers poles into the ground. Boom. Boom. Like a giant hammer. Tunnel boring machine, it makes tunnels underground. Like a big earthworm robot. Cherry picker, it lifts people up safely. Like standing on a magic chair. Scissor lift, it goes up and down. Like scissors opening tall. Grader tractor, it levels the ground nicely. Like combing hair on soil. Mini excavator, small digger for small jobs. Cute and powerful. Pole planer, it scrapes old road. Like erasing with a giant eraser. Water tanker truck, it sprays water on road. Like giving shower to dust. Crawler loader, it can dig and carry. Like a mix of excavator and loader.